In this video, we're diving into how Google Analytics can enhance your designs in Canva. Let's explore why this integration is essential for creators. In 2025, Canva introduced a seamless way to integrate with Google Analytics, making it easier than ever to track your creative performance. First up, let's create your Google Analytics account. Head over to the Google Analytics website and click on Start for free. Next, you'll want to set up a property specifically for tracking your Canva projects. Choose a descriptive name that represents your brand. Once your property is set up, navigate to the admin section. Here, you'll find your unique tracking ID. It'll look something like UXXXXXX. Now, let's head over to Canva. Navigate to your settings and look for the Google Analytics section. This is where you'll input your tracking ID. Time to test the integration. Create a sample design in Canva and check your Google Analytics real-time reports to ensure data is flowing. Interpreting your Google Analytics report is crucial. Look for metrics like user engagement and session duration to understand how your Canva designs are performing. Use the insights gained from your analytics to optimize your designs. Maybe you'll notice certain styles perform better. Adapt accordingly. To recap, integrating Google Analytics with Canva is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your creative process. Start tracking today